Hello YouTube, this is Frankie with Awesome Airsofters with an unboxing from Airsoftgi. In this box is the G&G blowback combat machine, the radar I believe, and some BBs. So we're going to start with the small box first. Both boxes are actually really heavy. Okay, so small box here. Just note paper, shipping information, some ICS precision .2 gram BBs. They're black, so they're going to be harder to see. Another. The rest of the BBs are in the other box. My G&G 9.6 volt crane stock battery, and I believe my NC Star flashlight, her t-shirt. Yeah, it looks like, yep, it's my NC Star flashlight right there. All of these will have their own little unboxings, I guess. Not really, besides the BBs and the battery, maybe this flashlight. Okay, so no more. And the box I really want to open up. Try and get that into the frame. This is one of my probably first actual big guns from Airsoftgi. The last gun I ordered there was an MP7, but I don't like that gun. Okay, so open up the box. Shipping information. The gun itself, and some more packaging. Airsoftgi sponsorship t-shirt. Yeah, I already have this shirt, but this one looks like a smaller size. So that's it. BBs. 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 Before I get to the gun, here's all my BBs. So there's 28,000 BBs. And yeah, I guess I'll do a review unboxing, just an unboxing of the gun right now. So, nice boxing, or box, whatever you want to call it. Alright, I'm just gonna get a little zoom in on that. Okay, so as you can see, the G&G armament logo, the actual gun itself, packaging, very nice. It looks, carrying handle. Some latches on here to prevent the box from opening up. So, let's open this up. Alright, so there's the gun in the box. Airsoftgi Chronode at 319, which isn't that bad. I mean, I'm using it for CQB, so I don't need an outrageous FPS. So is the GR15 Raider, the blowback one. Looks like our instructions and all that stuff, how to take some pieces apart. Okay, I'm just gonna set that there. Two optional things, battery and charger, but I don't need those. Cleaning rod, 1,000.2s, I believe. G&G BBs. Hey, what do you know? 29,000! Yay! Full metal high cap. G&G logos on the bottom. So 450 rounds, high cap. As most people say, barrel condom. So now the actual gun. Let me get a zoom out of this. Okay, so first judgment of the gun, very nice and sturdy. It's kind of small too. It's good. I mean, I don't want like a huge gun, but so the rails on it, those are metal. The body is polymer. Feels like we got G&G logos. Nice pistol grip right there. Semi full, or sorry, I was not getting any of those. So pistol grip, semi, full auto. Those seem really nice, like they're not going to slip at all or anything. Okay.